in a second, I'll be showing you my bank statement. So as you can see, this is the amount I've made so far by selling photos on the internet. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic opportunity that will make you to turn your passion for photography into a steady source of income. If you have been looking for a way to sell photos on the internet, or you are good in taking pictures, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end, where I will be revealing the step by step on how to sign up on this website and start selling your pictures so you can start making money. All right, so let's go. So on this website, you are going to sign up. All right, so you are going to enter your email, username, and password. Then choose a free plan. All right, so you don't have to pick the paid one or the premium. Pick a free one. So you will get here. All right, so you can set up your account. All right, do all that. I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm making it fast. All right, so set up the account by yourself, upload your pictures. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the page where we can sell our photos. All right, so I go to the marketplace. All right, so from the marketplace, I'll click on how it works. So here I will click on get stats. All right, so you can see get stats. This is great. So now we are going to upload a picture so we can start selling. All right, so click on it. So you can select a picture. All right, enter the name of the photo you want to sell. Make sure you have a very good description for it. All right, so I will put the name here. I will just say female. All right, so I will say female digital avatar. Okay, so here I'm going to enter a good description for it. Then I will select the category. So here you can see a lot of categories. Select the one that is related to your image. All right, so now I will click on upload and we are done. All right, so this is the picture. So anytime anybody view this picture or like this picture, you will get paid for it. All right, let me show you where your income will be showing. All right, so let me show you. So what I'm going to do now, I will go to my profile. Okay, so the best thing to do is copy the link of this picture. You go to your Instagram, your Twitter, your TikTok, Facebook, then you can start sharing. So your fans, your followers can start clicking on the link. Then the link will take them down here. Once they view the picture, trust me, you will start earning from the pictures. You can see here is a lot of people like you making money on this website. You can see pictures, people uploading their pictures, and they earn a lot of money from this place. So let me take you to the profile where you can see your earning. All right, so when you come here, click on check. All right, so you can see there, once your money is $15, they will pay you. All right, then this is the history where you see all your earning. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.